Amazon engineer calling for Ring to be shut down immediately, he says, citing privacy concerns. The engineer published a post on Medium saying, quote, "The privacy issues are not fixable with regulation, and there is no balance that can be struck. Ring should be shut down immediately and not brought back." This is, of course, the company that somebody rings your doorbell and you can deal with it from your phone, but it has opened the can of worms on privacy. Where is this video going? Are they giving the Ring video to everybody who shows up at your door to local police and others?
I mean, there's a few privacy issues here, and there's a lot of complicated issues here. I mean, one of the issues, of course, we've seen people hackers getting access to people's accounts, and part of that is the person themselves has to be responsible. Use a difficult password. Don't make it easy to guess. But you're right. We have to know what do they have deals with law enforcement? What are they going to do if law enforcement requests that? And, you know, we've seen those issues already with phones. So, you know, there's some precedent for what they might do.
I mean, if somebody shows up at your door and that person is questionable from the local police's standpoint, then how does that implicate you? It just opens the door to all these questions about who shows up at your doorstep.
That's the whole thing about technology. There are always these new issues, legal issues that are brought up, and that's why these companies should put it out on the table at the beginning. If you have private deals, put it out there so you don't get these revelations. People, if they know something, people feel better about it. It's the surprise that really angers people.
Yeah, you're right.
Why do you need a Ring? Why do you need one? Why do you need drop cams all over your house? And why would anybody ever put a camera in their kids' room? Remember the "Hi, this is Santa"?
That was scary.
You ever put a camera in your child's room and then connect that video to the internet and basically not change the password or put in a really weak password? Again, I don't think people do what we would call a cost-benefit analysis of the dangers and the risk of installing these cameras.
Well, we certainly know now about the vulnerabilities, a lot more than we did many years ago. But to say this needs to be shut down immediately from an Amazon engineer, pretty aggressive. We're going to talk more about this coming up in the program. We are just getting started this morning. Coming up.